You are attending computer coding class.
Welcome. Today our topic is spelling correction using Python. Here we will create a GUI application using tkinter package. In this application we will enter text. This application will check for spelling mistakes. If any word is misspelled, then it will correct it and rewrite the corrected word. This is the basic application which I developed using tkinter. Here we will enter the incorrected text and then click on correct button. That will check the error and rewrite the corrected version of text. This is the application. I am using blob package for spelling checking and correction. Here my environment is Anaconda. In Anaconda command prompt we will install both packages. I am using pip command for installing tkinter. We will write pip install tk command for installing tkinter, and second package is text blob. We will write pip install blob. That will install blob package. You must have full speed, high speed internet also here. My text editor is Spider. You can use any other editor also. Let's start coding. First of all, we will import our first package, that is the tkinter. We will write import tkinter as tk. Here tk is the label for tkinter class. Our second package is text blob. Here we will write from text blob import text blob. Here text blob is the class of package text blob. Here class name started with capital T. Now we will create the object of our tkinter class. Its name is window. We will write tk.tk. Next we will set the title of our application, spell checker. We will write window.title, and in parentheses we will write spell checker. Next we will set the geometry of our application. Its width is 400 dots and height is 300 dots. Now we will create all the components of our application. First component is label. Its name is T input, T for text. Label is a class and we will pass the argument in label. First argument is Windows. Second argument is text. Here this text will be displayed on our label. Next we will pass height and width of our label. This is our first component, that is a label. Label is used for displaying any text. You cannot enter any value in label. Second component is a text box. In text box you can enter single line as well as multiple line. Here we will enter our incorrected text. Our third component is a label that will display the corrected version of our text. In this label, we are also formatting the font. Here we are using Arial as a font, and we will also set its size, that is 14. Next component is a button. By clicking on that button, we will initiate any action or event. Our last component is a label that is used as a footer of our GUI application. After creation of components, now we will place these components on our GUI application windows. Here we will use grid manager. Here we will set row number and column number. First row and first column is 0. Here we wrote column 1 because we want to place our label in middle of the application. Second component is our text box. Here we will write row 1 and column 1. It means second line, first line is row 0, second line is row 1 and third line is row 2, like this. For bottom, we will give row 4 and column 0. Last command is window.main loop that will run our application. Now we will run the program. This is the basic blank structure of our application. Next we will write code for our button, that is correct button. We will create a function before our button. Its name is checker, that will check the input text and correct the spelling. First of all, we will create a blank string, that name is CORRTXT. Next, we will read the text from our text box using get command. We will write here text.get. In parentheses, we will pass argument. Our first argument is 0.1. Here 0.1 means it is start from first character of our text string. And next we will write end. End means it will read the whole string from first character to last character. And then I will also write dash 1c. That 1c will discard the new line character. Mostly it gives. Next, using split command, we will split this string into different words. all words are stored in my text list. Now by using for loop, we will read all these words one by one. Now we will convert each word into a text blob. Here blob means binary large object. Here we will use function text blob for converting every word into a blob. Next we will check each text blob for spelling correction, and if any correction then it will do it. Here we will use correct command that will correct the spelling. Here I am doing concatenation as well as correction in a single line. Here by using correct command I will correct the misspelling, and then I will concat the correct version with a blank string that's name is CORRTEXT. Before concatenation, we will convert that text blob into a string by using str command. In between two words, I am also placing a blank space. This process will be performed for all the words of our string. After the correction, we will place our new corrected string in our output label, that's name is toOutput. Here we will use configure command. We have completed the function. Now we will connect this function with our button by using command and then write our function name without any parentheses. This is the whole program. Now we will run our program. First of all, in input box we will enter our text and then click the correct button. Then our application will check the text and correct the spelling mistakes. Now we have come at the end of our tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel Computer Coding Class.